National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sioux County in south-central North Dakota, southwestern Emmons County in south-central North Dakota, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near 48 to 5 miles south of Selfridge, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Fort Yates, Selfridge, Cattail Recreation Area, Eastern Standing Rock Nation, and Standing Rock. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south-central North Dakota.